Okay, should we start this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's do
I have
it.
no idea what we're in for, but I'm just gonna read it out.
Let's just
Yeah.
go for it.
Okay,
Go for it.
cool. Okay, it says 1 minute story challenge. You get 1 minute to tell a story. Pick cue card to read your prompts.
Okay.
So I'm guessing that's the next one. Okay, so these are the prompts. You have to choose one and tell the story in a minute. Let's go for it.
Who's
The
going
first
first?
one is a moment you chose yourself, or a moment that changed the direction of your life, or a time you were underestimated.
Okay. Let me go first. Okay. So I'm gonna talk about the time I picked myself.
Okay, wait. Amazing. But because you have to do this in a minute and it's a heavy duty
Yes.
question, we should
Put
put
the
a timer,
timer.
right?
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
love timers. I love when buzzers go beep.
pressure.
No way.
I love it. I love it. Let's bring it on.
I don't understand you, freak. Cool. Ready?
Ready. Timer set.
Start.
Okay, I think they all have a synergy to it. It primarily tells our story. So I'm going to talk about a moment I picked myself. So I've always been a pageant girly. Been doing that since I was 16. And the moment I got married, I think there were a lot of these social norms, none from my family, but they, conformed to, oh, now she's married. There's going to be a shift in her personality, in her clothing, in her way of life. So the first thing I do right after I get married is go enroll in a pageant, which doesn't really sit right with a lot of people in our society because you expect a married woman to be of a certain style and a certain class. And my family was always a cheerleader. My husband was my biggest cheerleader. And I go participate in a pageant, wear the bikini, walk on an international stage, and bring the crown home. So when I picked me, everybody picked me. So that is my story of me picking me. And when you pick yourself, the world picks you too.
Slam.
Was it how many seconds?
Girl, you have like 30 seconds left.
But it got the point across.
It
and
did. I
as
can't
long
believe
as-
you had a moral of the story after your story also.
He did. Pick yourself.
That's amazing. Also, where do you find a husband like this? I want to go like
Well,
hunt for this variety.
I tell you, he found me.
Aw.
Okay, we need to get to
what
this
everybody
part
keeps
too.
saying, that love will find you. Just
No, it'll find you when you're open to it, to be very honest.
Okay.
If you have this mentality, I truly believe, I say, just be happy with yourself and love will find you. I truly believe you need to also be open to it because what you manifest comes in your way. And that's the
This
time
is for you, Cham.
So love will find you. Be-
love also finds you if you go in a sexy bikini on the stage.
I was married then.
Oh, you were married?
I was
Oh.
already married when I was on stage in a bikini. Love had already caught hold of me
But
by
dude,
then.
wait, I have a question. Like, why did you decide to do this after you got married? Was there
So my first pageant was done when I was 16 years old. So
Okay.
I've done pageants my entire life. And I thought it's just fun. You wear heels and you get on the stage and you look pretty. Got to realize there's so much more to it. And I
Yeah.
always wanted my mother to experience this. And the only way we could participate in a pageant together is if it was a Mrs. pageant. So that's why I went for Mrs. India with my mother. And yeah.
what?
And my
That's
mom actually
so
won
cute.
Mrs. Beyond Motivation because she was competing against 18, 19-year-old girls and she was 56.
Whoa! Honestly, I got chills.
And she picked herself.
That's
Yeah.
so cute.
Auntie, auntie.
Seriously.
I'm crushing on your mom right now.
Yeah.
So who's going next?
I'll
Okay.
go next.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Timer.
Timer.
Wait. I got you. I
I'll
got
be
you.
done in 20 seconds.
But even I was
15.
done in 30
Yeah,
seconds.
you were, yeah.
And then we just chit-chatted.
Okay, Anusha,
Yeah.
your time starts now.
Are wait, let me pick my
Oh, okay.
question.
Here.
Okay, a moment that changed the direction of your life.
Perfect. And the time
Starts now.
now.
Okay, so I got like a shady message from a random Instagram account saying, "Do you want to audition for Indian Idol?" And I was like, "Is this like real? Maybe I should just reply." And then I did reply, and then I went through the whole audition process, and I fucked the audition up very badly. And I never thought it would come out, but it did, and it was the best thing that happened for me. So that totally changed the direction of my life. Like I owned that,
the moment.
the fuck up basically.
The embarrassment.
yeah.
Embrace the
I
embarrassment.
was like, bring it on, and it came. So that was a moment that
Man.
changed the direction of
but what was the mess up?
the mess up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this you can stop my timer.
Yeah, because
I decide that, right? I'm
Okay,
thinking master
so, the mess up was I was a bit nervous because the whole thing was just so new to me. It was the first time I was put in front of a camera, in front, like it was just very new, and I was a bit underprepared. And I had the, I had the adrenaline like going through me and all. So, in my first song, I hit this high note, and my voice just it cracked. And like I had to pretend like everything was okay and just continue singing. Then I went on to my second song, which came on TV, which was Ajeeb Dasta. It was a medley, Kaisi Paheli, Ajeeb Dasta, and one more other song. Then I went to Ajeeb Dasta, and I didn't do the best job. And then they like stopped me, and
they had
Vishal was
things to
like
say.
basically like he said sweetly like you suck. And Bacha also said you suck.
Oh my god.
And Shreya was sweet about it. They didn't say that, of course.
Yeah.
I mean,
But they politely,
they politely said that I suck.
Come back.
And I was like, I did suck, you know.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I know you're saying that you accepted it, but did you like? I'm sure it must have been a process to.
it
get to
was. I mean, I couldn't.
acceptance,
I
right?
was so upset with myself. Like,
Yeah.
I got this moment and I ruined it. Like, that was the feeling. Like, I worked so hard, like those couple of months. I'm sure you know
What
because
tip would you give to somebody to reach that? Everybody's phase of arriving at acceptance is different. but
Yeah.
What helped you?
just give it time, and you have to move on to the next thing. Like,
Yeah,
you
very
can't
true.
you can't sit with that and be like, oh, this didn't happen, that didn't happen. You need to find the next best thing for you.
Yeah.
And maybe like a bad episode will turn out into something great, like it did for me.
Yeah.
So
But
yeah.
I heard you saying you were lovely. I mean,
I
croaked.
sing well, but I don't know what
It
the
was that-
fuck happened
yeah.
on that stage.
It happens.
It was so
it's a
bad.
high pressure
You know,
environment.
you were
Yeah,
in like she was done so many episodes. I didn't
Yeah.
even make it through, but
Yeah.
it's like so high pressure and it's quite nerve wracking.
I'm
so,
going to YouTube and watch this.
No shit. You know, I
Actually-
can imagine Aditya Shreya being sweet, but the fact that Vishal said you sucked sweetly.
No, he didn't say that.
What did he say?
Sorry, I'll tell you
He
exactly
probably
what he
"Try
said.
again."
He's like, you have a great tone, you
Yeah.
have great this, you have great that, whatever. But there was a lot of like amateurness in your voice, which I wasn't able to show my skill correctly. Like there were so many issues, like I couldn't hear myself.
Yeah.
And like the stage monitors which you get to hear your voice in was so far. I couldn't hear these guys, and so like a tip would always be to just do a bit of a sound check, before you
100%.
start.
Yeah, you
But
have
in
to
that
ask for what
moment,
you need
yeah.
in these environments. Otherwise,
You
they'll
have
just
to.
let you roll with whatever experience you have.
Exactly. And I had no experience.
Yeah.
So that's
Oh,
what.
it's
Now you
fun.
do.
Now I do.
And
Now
what a
I know.
first experience
Yeah.
too, dude.
On a national scale.
And this was like not my scene at all. I was like, Indian Idol, I don't know, but it's such a great platform
Yeah.
for anyone. Like, use the platform, get the visibility, and then do what you want with it. It doesn't
Yeah.
have to be like, oh, this is not for me, this is for me. And yeah, so
Nice.
I think I'll go
Beautiful.
next.
Yes.
Okay, D.
What are you
Yes.
picking?
Is it the same cue card?
I think no, it's this one, love. This one. These are your prompts.
Okay. I think you guys have answered, so I'm going to answer this one. Yeah, this
Which
is.
one? Which one?
No names will be taken.
Oh, we
but
want
tea
names.
will be
we
spilled.
want the names.
Hell
Edit
no.
it out
Names off the
later.
camera. Off the
Yeah.
camera.
Man,
Camera
what's
first,
tea
sir.
without sugar? Come on.
Oh my
God. I'll give you sugar. Later, honey.
Oh,
So, a
You're
time
getting honey,
you
not
were
sugar.
underestimated, basically. I will
Let's
talk
just keep
about
The
that.
time she was underestimated. Okay.
So this was my
Start
first.
her time.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Give me that. I'll wrap it for you in 1
so
minute.
a time you were underestimated.
Yeah.
D, your time starts now.
So this was my. Oh.
Sorry.
That's
The
fine.
buzzer went.
I think it was completing your time.
Yeah, that was literally 1 second.
Yeah.
left. And D, start. Okay. So this was my first Bollywood project, like my first Bollywood song I ever did. And you know how Bollywood works? They call you at like, if you're a newcomer, they'll be like, oh, you have to come right now. Otherwise,
Yeah.
this opportunity is like, you have to come right now. I don't do that anymore. I don't entertain that anymore. But I was just like, okay, cool. So it was 11 in the night. So I took my ex-boyfriend at that time with me along because it's a new producer's studio that I'm going to. I went there. There's 2 rooms there. He explained the song to me. I went into the other room. I'm very fast with my writing. Once you tell me what you need, I can write a song for you in like 15 to 30 minutes. So I wrote the whole rap in like 15 minutes. He comes back I rap it for him. Immediately, he looks at my boyfriend and he's like, "Did you help her write?
No,
How did she write so quickly?" And I'm like, "You called me.
girl.
You don't even know who he is. You called me because you know who I am. How?" And then, okay, cut to, they didn't even pay me for that project. They told me the male singer took all the money.
Oh, not surprising.
I don't
though.
even know what that means. And then he had the audacity to call me again for a project. And I was like, "Now you have to pay me even before I come." And then he threatened me on the phone, kind of like, "This is going to be your only big Bollywood project."
So this actually reminds me of the Kesha story.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's a reason she has the $sign in her name.
I did not know that.
She has a $sign in her
Yeah,
name.
I mean, I've seen that. I don't know
So-
if that's a story.
The story came out years later, but turns out that she was the female vocalist in the Timbaland song, You Spin My Hair Right, and never got paid for it. So when she went solo and did her own like thing, made her mark, she was like, "I'm making my own dollars."
Yeah.
But man, I feel like it's so ridiculous that
Yeah.
even today,
Yeah.
after you spend so much time carving an identity for yourself, making your like USP really stand
Like,
out.
it's so easy to just question us, you know?
Because
like,
why?
why?
Everyone thinks you're replaceable, right? And it's so far from the truth. And
Yeah.
thank you to the internet because finally, like, it's
You had your own
democratized that
space.
Exactly.
platform.
Like, I have the power now to be like, "No, fuck you."
Exactly.
You know?
There's
I don't
only
have to
one
be like,
DMC.
yeah.
So you want someone else, you get a different flavor.
But I
That
don't
part-
get it. Like, you're just asking for like a basic exchange for your work.
Honestly.
Why does the other person have to get so hostile like about it?
But that's how this industry works. They
Ego
work on
brings
fear. The
fragile.
more fear they instill in
That's
you, the
just
more they can
sad.
get out of you. Because they feel there's desperation to
Yeah.
make it, not realizing now we know our worth.
Yeah.
And we don't need you. We'll figure a way out
I think
without
they
you
were
as well.
so used to treating singers like this.
Yeah.
They don't know what rappers are.
Yeah,
They
they're
are not-
another league.
Hello.
Yeah.
We are like, come on.
Teri teri mao.
How inspired we were from this culture, which was a revolution. So,
Yeah.
you know, like, revolution will be televised.
100%.
Yeah.
But you know, there's another reason I think there's this exploitation so much. I think it's because artists within themselves are really cagey about money.
Yeah,
We don't
absolutely.
talk to each other about
Yeah.
what
And
we charge,
also-
how much we ought to charge. We don't take
No.
each other's inputs. Imagine if we did.
Yeah.
Then
And
we would
also if we
remove that
came up with
secrecy
some
out of like the entire thing.
standardization
And that
of
would mean
it.
that we would not have they would not have hold that
Right.
power, right? So if we could just fucking be real about like, yo, I got this call, I know you got
Yeah.
it too, how much are you charging?
Yeah, I do
Then
that though
we-
now. I've
Right.
started.
Me
It's so helpful. Although it made me feel a bit small initially, but
Yeah.
the other person never judges me for it. So I know that everyone just wishes that we were all open, you know, with
Yeah.
each other. Yeah.
But also there is something very interesting that I believe in. The power of no really works. Because if you charge a certain amount, that's because you're worth it.
Yeah.
When people come back to you saying, "Oh, we'll get somebody cheaper," please go ahead.
Yeah, fucking
Like,
go
please
ahead.
go ahead.
Yeah.
And then they will circle back to you.
Fuck their head, nah. Don't fuck mine.
Well, yes, now
wanna
the
know.
Time Masters chance.
Okay. I am
Timing myself.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna choose a moment that changed the direction of your life. I'm just gonna go with a moment that changed my life recently. Yes.
ठीक है. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, 1 minute. I'm gonna try to wrap this out. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so anyone that knows me knows that I have been quite terrified of driving. In February of 2023, mom and dad, even you don't know this. I'm sorry, I'm breaking it to you like this. I got into a really, really bad car accident.
Oh no.
And it was wild because I didn't hit anybody. I didn't hit anything. I got distracted by my phone, overcorrected and toppled.
Oh,
shit.
Like I was literally dangling from the seat
Seat.
bed. And you know, like in Mumbai, even in Goa, some of the locals are really helpful. So they actually came, helped get me out of the
Yeah.
car. It was wild because I only drive with Raju, my speaker. That's his name.
Huh.
And the music was still playing. This was all happening in slow-mo. And there was glass everywhere, and there was not a single fucking scratch on me. Not a scratch on me. Anyway, the whole thing happened, but that day I had a show. I still went for the show. I got into rehearsal. I got into the show. I finished it. I went back home and I decided that I am no longer going to take things for granted. Like, even if it was a show
Very
that
true.
wasn't paying me much,
Yeah.
that
I would otherwise be cursing myself to do. I was like, I could have died today.
Yeah.
I could have died today. So every morning after that morning has just been so tremendously full of gratitude. It's just changed the lens with which I see my reality.
Oh
No.
my God.
I have
Inappropriate.
follow-up questions. I just want to say, so happy.
Yes,
Nothing
yes,
happened live.
thank God.
Thank you.
Heavy on the protection.
Exactly. I feel divinely protected. And
Yeah.
I mean, my guardian angels are working overtime at this point. Someone
Yeah.
gets to give them a raise. But that moment was wild. And shit, now my parents are going to find out and they will also have follow-up questions.
Did anyone go like, इसलिए औरत को गाड़ी नहीं चलाना चाहिए?
Dude,
I'm sure even in your death moment, somebody will be like,
they'd be
औरत है ना, इसलिए उल्टा हो गया गाड़ी.
Man, I bet, because as soon as this happened,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे भीड़ तो आ गई and people were shooting stuff. So
Yeah.
luckily my friends reached by that point.
Yeah.
They immediately made me wear a cap, made me wear shades, made me sit down.
And just evacuate you.
No, I couldn't move. I was so stricken with
Yeah,
fear.
fear.
But there were lots
You
of
were in
people saying
shock.
lots of things. And it was all over social media, but they didn't know my identity.
Bizarre, like they would rather
Shit.
record you than help you.
It was a mix. To be fair, it wasn't as bad as Delhi. Goa is the wild, wild west.
Yeah.
It's polarized. Either they judge the shit out of you or they're really helpful and they integrate you. It was so wild. It happened in front of an orphanage.
Yeah.
And the auntie that takes care of the orphanage got me a chair, got me an umbrella, got me
sweet.
nimbu pani. And even then, when I couldn't get my voice out, she got me a little baby to hold.
Oh, that's gotta regulate you.
And it did. It worked. I was like,
Because
wow.
you instantly became the caregiver.
I was like, I need to just,
Yeah.
I don't know. It was a very surreal
Yeah.
experience. But
Wow. That was a good first segment.